Yeah.
Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a boat. First, you do just like this, and then you make triangles just like this, and then fold another one just like before. If it's pointy, mine's not pointy because I do not want to make it too pointy. And then you lift this up like this. Make sure to use it in the floor. Do not do this at home. It will be too roughy when you just show it to the camera. What the heck is this? And then, if you're done folding just like this, if you think I'm making a fake boat, I'm not. Just put the triangles in there. If you can see, after that we just fold this up. I hope it's not too much. And then we're gonna do this as the same way that's before. And then we open this up very gently. If you're done, do something else. Fold it just like a triangle. Of course, it's too noisy. That can be bad. After that, you make another one in here. Okay, like this, and then you make another diamond. Just like that. I know it's awful I'm making. You just pull it this way and then wow, I know it's cool. So please like this video because this is cool, right? But now you have to like this video. I hope you all like this video. Bye!